Hi, my name is Guntur Dharma Putra from Accounting for Noob. Today we are going to solve some problem in the past paper, AJCSE past paper 11 May June 2023. But before we start, please subscribe my channel so I can help other people for solving accounting problem.
An asset that cannot be touched cannot be touched or felt. So this one, okay. Bank balance, you can touch bank balance, yeah, you can touch the money. Brand name, yes, correct. Goodwill, correct. Bank balance again is not correct. Trademark is correct. Trade receivable is not correct. Brand name is correct. Goodwill is correct. Trademark is correct. Goodwill is correct. Trademark is correct. Trade receivable is not correct. So the answer is C. Okay, 21. At the end of financial year, Karim decide to increase provision for doubtful debt. Remember, to increase provision for doubtful debt, the journal will be doubtful debt or income statement, and then in credit side is provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt in debit side, PFDD on credit side. So it means if related with expense, it means expense, because this one in debit side, expense will increase. Expense will increase. So this one either number C or number D. Number A and B is not. And then PFDD, PFDD, you put it under the trade receivable. So trade receivable in debit side, PFDD in credit side. So PFDD will deduct the trade receivable. So will decrease the current asset. So the answer is C, because trade receivable is current asset. Number 23. What is the included the appropriation account of partnership? Appropriation of partnership is net profit. You add interest on drawing. You deduct interest on capital. Deduct also salary. And then become profit to be shared. So number 1 is annual salary. Yes, correct. In here there is annual salary. Drawing, there is no drawing, yeah, there is no drawing. Interest on drawing, there is in the appropriation account, but drawing itself is not in the appropriation account. The closing balance of Itmar capital account, no, yeah, we don't have balance CD on its partner capital account. Number 4, residual profit between division of residual, yeah, they put it in here, yeah. So the answer is number 1 and number 4 is B. Yes, B. We are going to answer number 24. X and Y are in partnership. we have to highlight in partnership with the capital 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. The partnership agreement, there is agreement that the profit are to be shared proportion from capital invested, and its partner is entitled to 10% interest capital. Profit for the year was 37,000. What was the total amount credited to Y current account? Remember, credited to Y current account for at the end of the year. So we have to know first the current account. What is in debit side? There is 3 things in the debit side. There is 4 in the credit side for current account. Yang in credit side there is 4. Number 1 is interest on capital, interest on loan, salary, and profit. 3. Interest on drawing itself, and losses. So we only focus on credit side because the question only asks for credit side and it's only for Y. First, we have to calculate how much is profit to be shared. Profit to be shared is net profit 37,000 at interest on drawing. There is no interest on drawing, so still 37,000 minus interest on capital. Interest capital for X is 5,000, for Y is only 3,000. So the total is 8,000. So deduct 8,000 minus salary. In here there is no salary, in the agreement there is no salary. So the total profit to be shared is 29,000. 29,000 we calculate only for Y. So Y, because this is proportional capital investment, Y only give 30,000 of the total of 8,000. So Y will be 3 per 8 times profit to be shared. Profit to be shared is 29,000. So this one is 10,875. Remember, in the credit side is not only profit to be shared, but there is also interest on capital. Interest on capital is 3,000. So the total in the credit side is 13,875. So this one is number B. Okay, thank you. So now we are going to answer number 25. What is the advantage of being a member of limited company? So if there is bankruptcy, so sole trader, the government will take company money and then also the investor money. Investor money, it mean their personal asset. So example, if Joko open stationery store and then this stationery store bankrupt, so the stationery store money the government will take, also the money of Joko government will take. Partnership also have the same rule with the sole trader. Only limited company If limited company have bankruptcy, so the government only take company money. They will not take investor money. Personal belonging they will not take. Yeah. Only the money you invest in the company that the government will take. This is the only advantage become limited company. So, number one, the loan capital is easy to obtain. Is not, yeah, because limited company, the money is from investor. So many investor. It's not only one, it's only not only two, but many, maybe 1,000. So it cannot, it's not so easy to obtain the loan capital. Dividend. Dividend, if limited company didn't have any profit, they didn't have to pay the dividend. Financial statement prepare quickly. Is not quickly because they have to provide a lot of things such as statement of capital employee. After that they have to calculate how much dividend they have to pay to the member, and so on and so on. So the financial statement are not prepared quickly. And then the company is a separate legal entity. Separate legal entity is mean investment money different than company money. Yes, so the advantage is only number D. 26. A limited company provide the following information. Okay, issued share, profit, transfer, and then interim ordinary dividend paid. On 31 December 2022, it was decided to use the remaining profit to pay a final ordinary share dividend. And then the question is, which percentage final dividend will be the ordinary shareholder receive? So we have to calculate first how much the dividend that the company have to pay. Okay. So we start from, to calculate the profit, you start with profit for the year is 13,000. And then this profit for the year they transfer to general expenses. A general reserve. They transfer to general reserve. So you have to deduct from 30,000, you have to deduct 6,000 because you have to transfer to general reserve. So this one become 7,000. And then interim ordinary share dividend paid, you see, this is the key, the paid. If only reserve, don't put it in here, but because there is paid, so you put it dividend paid 3,000. So the remaining profit is 4,000. This 4,000 is the one who is the final dividend paid, the final dividend. Okay, so we have the question is which percentage final dividend. So you have to divide it 4,000 divided with the total share capital. The total share capital is 50,000 times 100%, and it become 8%. So the Answer is A. Pay Limited maintain the provision for doubtful debt on 1 April had the balance of 6,200. The provision should have been increased to 7,400 in 31 March 2023, but the adjustment was not made. What is the effect of this error in retained profit? Okay, so PFDD, provision for doubtful debt, balance BD is 6,200 and balance CD is 7,400. So it's mean the adjustment you put it into income statement is 1,200. If PFDD in credit side, so later on in income statement will be in debit side. So it will increase the expenses. Because this is increase the expenses, the retained earning is overstated 1,200. So the answer is A. 28. What is included in income statement and expenditure of tennis club? Tennis club is non-profit organization. Non-profit organization. So for non-profit organization, income expenditure, there is subscription, net profit, and then event, and then expenses. This is for income, ya. Expenses for the tennis club. So number A, all amount received and paid during this is not all amount received and paid, because some will go to income statement. Remember, if tennis club have a shop, some of so the receive and payment paid for the shop, you have to put it into income statement. So this one is not all amount, ya. Number B, all capital and revenue expenditure during the year, not capital expenditure. Capital expenditure will go to the SOFP. Number C, closing balance of accumulated fund. This in income expenditure, there is no balance CD for accumulated fund. Accumulated fund is the capital, so there is no balance CD for capital in income expenditure. And then so the profit for the year for the club, yes, there is. So the answer is number D. Okay, 29. The start manufacturing business is 1 January. Okay, this is balance BD. He provide the following information about the first year of business: closing inventory, closing work in progress, factory overhead, prime cost. What is team cost of production? So COP, there is 3 balls. One is prime cost, and then factory overhead, work in progress. work in progress plus beginning work in progress minus ending work in progress. Okay, so prime cost is 70,570, and then factory overhead is 15,530, and then we work in progress because this is closing, so you have to minus 1,840. Okay, and then the result is you minus, don't forget you minus, and then the result is 84,250. So the answer is number B. Okay, we go to number 30. Hasan capital is decreased 200 over the year, even though the profit is 7,000. Which transaction cost of that? Okay, so the capital decrease because there is drawing. So you have to calculate how much is the drawing. If the capital introduce 1,000, so you have to 1,000 plus 7,000, and then there is decrease also 200. So the capital drawing is 8,200. Number B, 1,200. There is profit 7,000. And then there is decrease on capital 200. So the drawing will be 8,400. This is only 6,000, is not correct. Number C, 2,000 plus 7,000 plus 200. So this one will become 9,200. This one is 8,000, so it's not. And then 2,200 plus 7,000 plus 200, it's become 9,400. So it's not this one. So the answer is A. Okay, 31. A trader provide the following: credit sales, cash sales, net profit margin. How much is the net profit? So net profit margin, sales is 100%, and then COGS. Okay. Net profit and then profit 30%. COGS is 70%. But the key factor is cash sales. Sales equal to credit sales plus cash sales. Credit sales is 36,000. And then cash sales is the total of sales, the total of sales. So it's mean 10%. If the total of sales, so 10% of X, so because the total will be X, so X minus 10% of X equal to 36,000. X become 40,000. So the question of net profit. So net profit is 30% from 4,000. It's equal to 12,000. 40,000, sorry. So the answer is D. Okay, we go to the last page, 32 until 35. Yes, 32 first. The tables show the gross margin and profit margin for 4 businesses, which business control overhead most efficiently. Okay, so remember sales minus COGS. COGS is the one is direct, become gross profit. Gross profit deduct other income or other expense, or this one factory overhead, so become net profit. So profit margin is from this one to gross profit. Okay, so gross profit is 40, profit margin is 17, so the factory overhead is 13, this one 12, this one 11, this one 8. So the one who control its overhead most efficiently is number D. Number 33rd. Ramis worked as a sales manager in a car showroom. He is paid on his basis the number of cars sold. Remember, the basis is paid. The basis is the number of cars sold. Which accounting ratio will be relevant with Ramis? Gross profit is not relevant with Ramis because the gross profit is sales deducted COGS. So only the profit is not, the basis is not the number of the car sold, but the number of profit. Profit margin is also is not the correct ratio because profit margin is profit deducted expenses, you add other income. This is net profit. This is also not the basis from the car sold. Rate internal turnover. Yes, this one is the ratio that relevant with the number of cars sold because this one is average inventory over COGS time percentage. Average inventory itself is beginning inventory plus ending inventory divided by 2. That is the average inventory. So which one is relevant with the basis of number cars sold? Is number C. Okay, 34. Manfeder started a business and paid check 1,000 into a business bank account. He paid 1,000 into the business bank account. He recorded this in the book of business by debiting account and crediting the capital account. So bank 1,000 and capital 1,000. This journal is already correct for the invest to the company. Which account applied did he reply? This one is duality concept. So because they apply this one, so we look at the question, we highlight the duality, only this one and this one. Okay, because he paid check to the business account. Okay, so there is separation between business and individual. This concept is business entity. The business entity is when you separate the company asset and your asset. So business entity is not matching, but this one business entity. So the answer is number A. Okay, the last question. Trader always record asset and expenses in his ledger. The price he paid for them. Okay, he record in his ledger. We add the price that he paid for them. Which accounting principle is applying? Business entity is not, because business entity you separate company money and your individual money. So this one is not separate, but they recorded based on the price is paid. So this one no. This one historical cost is only for NCA, is not for expenses. So this one correct, but for expenses is not. So it's not historical cost. Prudence you record, so the profit is not overstated and then the loss is not understated. Usually this is belong to prepaid and accrued, is not belong to the payment. So the correct answer is D, realization. Realization is you recorded according to the price that you paid. Okay, so thank you for today. We already answer number 1 until number 35. Thank you for today. God bless. Bye bye.